Welcome back, YouTube. My name is Nigel Schroeter, and you guys are tuned into the best finance channel on YouTube. Now, today, I want to bring you guys a video once again talking about how you can make money with your credit. So, if that's something that interests you, make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe before we get into this video. Let me give you a second to do that. No, I'm just kidding. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about how you can save money with your credit cards. This is probably one of the most, overlooked methods to making money with your credit cards. That's right in people's faces that we don't think about. Everybody's thinking about points and miles. Everybody's thinking about the cash back and the percentages and all these things that the card just naturally gets. For instance, if I swipe my green card somewhere, I get 2 times points on this or 1 time point on that, or blah blah blah, and it's gonna make me, 1 cent per point. Or if I do a transfer, I can make 2 cents per point or 1.5 cents per point, and all that good boring stuff. But that's like one basic entry level way to making money with credit cards. That's just one low level, entry tier way of making money with credit cards. Now we're going to take that to the next level. How can you make more than that? All right. And this is one of the most overlooked things. Every single credit card that you get comes with, well, I won't say every single credit card. Every credit card comes with terms and conditions. And in those terms and conditions, for a lot of your credit cards, for your, entry level to high tier cards. I'm not really talking about your subprime cards, your credit one and stuff like that. You're not necessarily going to get this. But, from your basic entry level cards and up, you're going to have some type of offers that are offered within your app or within your online banking. So you just have to go to your card and look through those offers at some point and click which offers work for you for places that you already shop or were already going to spend money. Remember, we're talking about making money, and in order to make money, you have to have a ROI. So with all of these deals, if you just go and do them and it wasn't something you were already going to spend money on, you're not making money, you're losing money. See, a lot of people see spend $75, make $20, and the only thing they see is make $20, but they don't see the spend $70, so they don't realize they're $50 in the hole. Now, if you were already going to spend that $70, great. If you were already going to spend $50 and that gives you, $20 worth of extra stuff that you can buy, go ahead and spend the 20 and wait for them to send it back to you. But if you weren't going to spend money at that particular place, for instance, I just saw a deal for FedEx with American Express. If you weren't going to go spend money at FedEx, don't go and start mailing off packages and buying stuff to ship just so that you can make, $5, $10 back at FedEx, because now you're losing money. But if you can find deals for places that you eat, places that you shop, things that you typically buy, or something that you were planning on buying that you can afford, and there's a good deal for it in those portals, in those apps, in those the online banking and any of that stuff, then check out those deals, as well as, like I said, when you get the terms and conditions of your card, and they usually send you like a benefits package with it, check out what's in that benefits package. Some cards, like my card, gives free global entry. Some cards give free TSA pre-check. Some cards give free Amazon Prime, free rental car, collision insurance, free check bags, free airfare credit, free, what is it called? Free travel rewards, like in rewards programs, they'll upgrade your tier or upgrade your room or different things like that. Check those things out. check all that stuff out and make sure that you're maximizing how much money you're actually getting from your credit card. Because if you sit down and you're worried about the small things, you know, you're worried about the 2 cents that you make back on every dollar with your American Express card, but you forget about, the $100 travel credit, or you forget about the Uber Eats pass, or, you forget about the free TSA pre-check with the platinum, or, different things like that. If you're forgetting about those things, the free Dell credit, all those different credits that you can get. Like I said, if you go to get a rental car and you swipe your card and you're paying for collision insurance, but your card, makes you actually file to get the collision insurance. It doesn't just automatically do it. And you don't even know that it's on there, that you have to file for it so that you can get your money back. And now you're essentially losing money because you're no longer saving that money or making that money. So I just want you guys to think about that whenever it comes down to purchasing things. Always check out those portals online. Always check out your card's terms and conditions and make sure that you're not losing out on anything. Yes, it can be time consuming to read certain things, but if you're going to go on a trip and you can get free rental car coverage for a week, that's going to save you a lot of money compared to the $2 that you earn back on every $100 you spend, the 2 cents on every dollar, the 4 cents on every dollar. That's not going to earn you money. But when you're talking about being able to actually make back, $50, sometimes $100, $25. Some of them are like $10 a month. There's different little credits depending on what cards that you have. So make sure that you're checking those out, especially if you have an American Express card, if you have a Visa Signature card, Bank of America, Capital One, Navy Federal, Discover, especially credit union cards. Check those out too. Even Chase, any of those cards, like, I'm just trying to think off the top of my head. Like, it's so hard to think of all of them because there's so many different opportunities out there. But if you have any of these cards, make sure that you're checking your cards and you're getting the most use out of them. So that way you're going to be in turn making the most money. With that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We're on the road to 3K. We're on the way up, and I just can't wait to hit it. And it's going to be a great moment. There's going to be another giveaway once we hit 3K. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.